What's up guys, welcome back to the question set 50 of the series of dbms 1. So this is the last question set of the series. So let's get started. So after installing the operating system on the computer, the software was reinstalled. All the previous data needs to be restored in the database. To do this, use the previously created mySQL db backup file. Create the required restore query. So in order to restore the database, first of all we have to delete the database first, and then restore the database. So first of all we have to create the database. So we have to go to the mySQL command line client, and then create mySQL db database. Create database mySQL db. So let's check out whether it has been created. So here you can see it has been created, but you can't see the tables yet. So let's look up the database that we want to restore. So here you can see the backup file. So let's get started with the restoring process. So first of all we have to go to the command line and then run it as the administrator. So first of all we have to go to a specific directory which is located in this location, then press enter. Then in order to restore the database, you have to execute this query. You have to type mySQL /u, then the username, then the name of the database, mySQL db. So then the less than sign, then the backup location, and press enter. So that's done. So let's check out whether the database has been restored or not. So here, as you can see, all the table has been restored, including the view as well. So that's it for the question set 50.